Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Jeremy Baker here on this Tuesday. Another hot start to the day, and it's going to be another hot finish. Thankfully, not as hot as it was yesterday, though. Actually, about the same as yesterday. Tomorrow will be cooler. Excuse me. Feel free to comment, ask any questions. Now we have heat and severe weather to be concerned about today. So here's a live look around town. A much different start than yesterday. We don't have the cloud cover. That's going to allow us to heat up a lot faster and will create more instability for the storms that are coming in later. You can see Morgan's Wonderland, Calaveras Lake, the airport, San Antonio, and that's looking right from the top of our building in the bottom left. It's like a red car coming up the hill. I wonder if we can figure out who's coming to work. All right, let's talk about the weather. Who is that? Red truck. Oh, they turned before the Ken's 5. It's not coming here. Oh, exciting stuff. All right, ooh, we get a closer look. We can almost see the license plate. All right, 87 right now at the San Antonio airport, 88 Stinson. That is just about where our high should be for the day, and it's only 10 something. Ridiculous. South-southeast winds are at 13. Barometer holding steady for the most part right now. Dew point 73, so the humidity up there is 63%. So not as humid as it was the past few days, but things will be changing. All right, you got those southeast winds. You can see the wind barbs coming off the Gulf of Mexico. And when you have that coming in for days and days, that's why we have that humidity. And you can see temperatures, 84 Rock Springs, 90 Del Rio. Again, hot there, less humidity though. 92 Beeville. It's got to be humid down there and feeling awful. 88 Floresville, Seguin 89, New Braunfels 88, and Cotulla, Pearsall both 89. That's a heat advisory. All the counties shaded in orange running through today because heat indices will easily exceed 105 degrees. So expect that today for all our southern counties. It'll probably get up that hot in San Antonio. Of course, if you do get an isolated shower storm this afternoon, you'll cool down. We need the rain. This was 6 months ago. The drought monitor showing a lot of exceptional drought conditions. We're down to extreme in the eastern hill country and just northwest of most of Bexar County, but a lot of our area is still under a severe drought. So we definitely still need the rain. So thankfully, we're getting that today. We don't want it in the form of severe weather, unfortunately, and that is what is on the way. Here's the rainfall outlook. This is just beyond the 7-day forecast, showing actually, it should say above average chances of rain. And the temperatures, this is just beyond the 7-day, also still above average. So we're going to get the heat, but we're also going to get some rain chances, according to the Climate Prediction Center. They put that out. Here is the wide view on the radar. You can see right there, got a cluster of showers and storms. It's called a MCS, mesoscale convective system, moving through the Dallas area, moving south and east. That's not going to affect us. You don't really see any boundary, any frontal boundary there. Can't make it out, but later today you will. You'll see that in your future cast too in a few minutes. Here it is, right. Any major storms tonight? Yeah, Cameron. Looks like San Antonio, the weather service saying between about 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. and 1 a.m. So it's pushed back a little bit, but you'll see that coming up here. I think it might be a little bit earlier than that, though. Here we are right now, mostly sunny and temperatures in the 80s. Heading into the afternoon, we'll stop it a few times. Here's 6 o'clock. You see a few isolated showers and storms here and there, mostly coming down from the north. That's that system off to the east. That won't really affect us. Maybe our far eastern counties. That'd be about it. But this is kind of showing it kind of late. I'm kind of surprised. But it has the clearing behind it, so that makes sense. And then you see the storms coming in from the west. That's 6 p.m. Most of us dry at 6 p.m. and very hot again, likely seeing more triple digits. Then, there's the line. It actually moved a little further than I wanted it to. I can't move it back, can I? Well, there's 9 o'clock tonight. This is this one model showing the line moving through around 9 o'clock tonight. The main threat with these will be large hail greater than 2 inches in diameter and also damaging straight line winds. Tiny tornado threat, but that's for the most part hail and wind like we've seen. So right through the middle of our area around San Antonio, 9 p.m., an hour or two earlier for counties to the west, hour or two later off to the east. But notice by 11 at midnight, that thing weakens really fast, loses the instability. So that's the good news. So the main time I'm thinking San Antonio, watch out as early as, I would say 8, could be as late as 10 or 11 when these things move in, the main line at least. But then we clear out at midnight, and by Wednesday morning, we're looking good, mostly clear. Temperatures in the upper 60s to around 70, less humidity. And then as we head in the afternoon, once again, the temperatures heat up, but not nearly as much as what we'll see today. So no triple digits, mid to upper 90s possible in our southern counties. That's about it. A lot of sunshine tomorrow too. Slight chance for a shower storm tomorrow night, but then it goes away, and then by Thursday morning, we're looking at pretty much the same. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Temperatures much warmer, though. So the humidity builds back quickly. So does the heat. And by the afternoon, at least the highs, though, they do stay down just a bit in the mid-90s. Still about 10 degrees above average, but that's better. And there's that enhanced look from the Storm Prediction Center. Has most of us now in an enhanced. That's a 3 out of 5 for the severe storms later today. Again, the main threats with those will be damaging winds. That's the largest threat. Large hail. And then the small threat for isolated tornadoes and flooding. But these should be moving pretty quickly. Wouldn't be surprised to see isolated flash flooding areas, though, with these storms. Very isolated. So here's the 7-day forecast today. Started out in the mid-70s. We've got 96 for a high. 10% chance of afternoon storms, but I'm thinking the best chance tonight at 50%. Tomorrow, 20% chance, but that might have dropped to 10. 95 for a high tomorrow. Again, best chance for any showers tomorrow night. And also Thursday night, Friday night. 95 for a high Thursday, 96 Friday and Saturday. And we stay in the mid-90s through the rest of the weekend, the second half of the weekend, and next Monday. So far, it looks dry. Most days will be dry for most of us, though. Tonight, though, should be the big show, and let's hope we get some good rain, not too much severe stuff. All right, so I'll be doing your weather at noon today, and Audrey Castorena will be doing your news. We hope to see you then. Take care, guys. Have a good day. Stay cool. Bye-bye.